Okay, guys, so today I'm just going to talk a little bit about how to use the text to speech tool in Google Documents. It's helpful if you need to get a lot of information down very quickly. So, very quickly, what you need to do is just open a document like this. And once you have your document open, you just need to navigate your mouse to Tools and open it. Click on Open, and then navigate your mouse down to this little tab that says voice typing, or you can use the Control Shift S. Either way works. So once you've done that, you have this little microphone in the left-hand corner. To be able to talk and have it appear on the page, all you need to do is to click on this microphone, and now you will see that the things that I'm saying are suddenly appearing on the page. One of the issues that you will find when you're doing this is that you will have many punctuation errors. In particular, sometimes it will run sentence together. You may have to go back and do quite a bit of editing depending on how well it picks up your voice. Do not assume that it has gotten everything down correctly. But if you need to get a lot of information onto a page quickly, especially if you need to get information from a book down, like you need to write a quotation and it's easier to read it than it is to type it, this is a very good tool for doing that. And when you're finished, all you need to do is just click over here, the red microphone. As long as it's red, you know it's listening, and then click it off, and then suddenly it will not be typing what you say anymore. And then, of course, if you want to turn it back on, you would just turn it back on just like this. Okay? I hope this has been a helpful tutorial for you to learn how to use the voice typing in Google Documents.